mouth, crying her heart out, screaming at the top of her lungs. I ain't never heard so many bad words come together like the devil sitting right on her tongue. She can tell the time, watch what you say, and then out of line they'll be hell of a play. Little mistake now, what's all the fussing about? She's an angel in the morning. When she rubs her eyes and lifts her head, somewhere in between her first cup of coffee and something I'm not a said, no explaining, she starts complaining.